Hello. This is Johnny. I'm Johnny Depp. And
No, I'm Johnny Depp.
I'm Johnny. It's a nature video, and here is a scene of the Merry River. I think so.
By the way, I'm Johnny Depp. Okay.
Here is a picture of
That's a platypus. You got it wrong.
a bird, water, a fish, and a turtle there. I think it could be. Get out! A bug. It's nice. I got it for my birthday. I put it in here for a name. He's not Johnny Depp to make it. I've got an idea.
Remember, I'm Johnny Depp. He's that.
And here's a frog, some plants,
A little green frog too. Here's a gum leaf.
and some kingfishers. One actually, only one, not two. One, yes. Here is a dragonfly, a fly, a dragon fly. Here is my hello.
See, he's bad, Johnny Depp.
Thank you for watching Johnny Depp's nature video. Now, I'll see you later next time. Oh, claw! I want to see this claw.
Hello, here we are live in Hollywood interviewing the marvellous Johnny Depp about his incident in the Merry River. And here he is. Hello everybody. Can you give us any details about this incident that played out on that day?
Well, I was attacked by a wedge-tailed eagle.
Oh, was it painful?
Very.
Well, can I just show the viewers here what they've done? I'll be careful.
Oh, don't.
Okay, it doesn't want to. I can't help that. Anyway, so it appears your little goatee has gone too. So what happened to that?
That, a turtle took it. Yes, a turtle took it.
Were you wearing any animal attracting perfume that day? Because you don't seem that lucky.
No, not actually, but I fell over in the water after it pulled off my moustache and I fainted. And then a turtle came along and took it off.
Okay, well that sounds painful. Well, what were you doing in the Merry River? Why would such a famous person be walking around in that water?
Well, I was doing my latest film.
What was it about?
It was about the Merry River.
Well, obviously. What type? Was it about any animal in particular, or just everyone?
Actually, it was a nature show.
Okay, nature show. That sounds interesting. Well, can you tell us about any movies that would have had to reject you because of the problems around your face area?
Well, I did get an opportunity to go to a film, but I had to deny it just yesterday because
Can't you act without your, facial hair?
obviously not. I mean, it's my prized possession.
Okay, well,